What is up, guys? Trent here with Ghst Media. We got another video coming at you today. We are over at Aaron's place. They got a little shop out here. Their Instagram will be in the video here. We are out here today powder coating the valve cover for the Integra. I was originally going to pay somebody to do it, but I really wanted to do it since I'm into like painting and stuff. That's kind of what I went to school for. So hit him up. He's like, yeah, bring it down, we'll take care of it. So we're out here today. As you can kind of see, they got a bunch of cool stuff here. So we just baked it off in the oven, so all the wax and grease and anything else, you know, oil or whatever, should be off of that. So we're about to run to the parts store real quick. After we do that, we're going to come back and hopefully powder coat this thing tonight, get it all squared away with, and move on to the next thing. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? So we just went ahead and got some food, ran to a couple stores, got some sandpaper for his CRX. We were just checking the bodywork on it, see if there was any rust. Not really sure yet, but we'll dig into that later. His build will probably be on the channel a little bit later in the next few months. Maybe even doing a paint job on that, we'll see. Right now we put the valve cover back in the oven just to make sure nothing got on it, and I think I touched it earlier, so that's what we're doing right now. We have it on the stand here. Everything is ready to go. We're getting ready to spray the first go around. So we're gonna get that all set up on the tripod, and then it's gonna be a little time lapse for a little bit, and then as things roll through, might do a closing video, just like a little outro and see. But yeah, so let's see how it goes. we're on to the next day. We did the valve cover last night. It went pretty well, except I ended up deciding that we maybe should have done a coat. There was like just a little spot that didn't have, like, you could still kind of see the undercoat, so we redid it. In the process of that, we touched it and we wiped it off with a rag, and we were, put another coat on, and you could see like little fuzzies from the rag. So it was my fault for that. We're gonna end up redoing that. I'm still gonna use all that footage for that video, but I'm not gonna re-record that. So that's the only downside of that, but color looks really good. We're just gonna order some new powder for that.